what's your opinion on chiropractic therapy?
Dude, it's cool and it's helpful, but it doesn't get to the root of the problem. It's treating a symptom. And I am never about treating symptoms. I'm about getting to the root of the issue and then unplugging it. You don't have it anymore. Like, you can go do chiropractic stuff, but then you have to go to the chiropractor again. And you have to keep going to the chiropractor again. So it doesn't actually solve your problems. Let's solve your problems. P.S. My life guide's on sale. You can get it by clicking the link in my bio, and you can get your copy of it today along with my meal plan.
Join our life school on Discord